So today we have a 2020 Kia Sportage. This goes for multiple years. We'll show you how to get the tail light out to change the bulb or whatever. If you look inside here, there's no access panel for the bulbs. So to get the bulb out, you have to open the hatch, tailgate, and you take the two screws out. They're Phillips screws. We already took them out. And there's several things that hold this in. There's a clip here and some push pins. So you have to hold it here and kind of hit it this way. But you got to keep working it, wiggling it and working it. You don't want to break it. Keep wiggling it and working it. Pull it out. Pull. All right, so now we got two guys working it, one with a little screwdriver in the back. They're very difficult to get out. Just got to keep working it. See that? We got it out. See the little slide here? You got to get it off that slide.
And the pin right here.
A little pin there comes out. So that's how it's done. Now let's look at the bulb. There's a couple bulbs in here. So basically you spin them out.
Yeah, there's a lot of them here.
And there's the bulb there. You just pull it straight out and you replace the bulb if you need to. Each bulb does have a number on it, or you can call your local supply house and tell them what it's for. If it's for the reverse light, stop light, whatever, they'll give it to you. You just put it all back together, reverse. The whole process should take less than 5 minutes. When the light goes back in, it only fits a certain way. So you just keep spinning it around, doing this with one hand. Then it falls in, then you twist it back, and that's it. All right, I try to do it best I can with one hand. So Joe Beer Master, Car Master, please subscribe and share with a friend.